Alrighty, Minnesota people, guess where I'm at? That's right, we're at the first Menards store I've been to in Minnesota, in Moorhead. And right over here, we have an elevator here. And we have a ThyssenKrupp here to ride. Here it is. Actually, I think it might clean the elevator. Yes, this is my first Menards store in the whole state of Minnesota. Close the door. There we go. Thank you. Good. We had to hear the jingle anyway. That sounds wonderful. Thank you, Menards, for playing that jingle in my first Menards elevator video in Minnesota. It's a nice cab. Hey, and yeah, there's the guy who cleaned the floor, which is, thank you very much to the guy who cleaned the floor. Alright, let's get end the video at 1. It actually runs pretty well. Anyway, this is the indicator, ThyssenKrupp elevator. Older traditional, capacity of 4,500 pounds. And here we have one. Ooh, I paid $1,000 just for that chair. And we're closed up. Go ahead. Close. There it goes. The elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.